Releasing Stress, a guided meditation by Don't Forget to Breathe. Hello and welcome. I invite you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Before we begin, please find a comfortable position with your back straight. Allow your breath to come naturally and allow yourself to settle and prepare for our meditation. Life can be a whirlwind of stress, demands, and distractions, but it's crucial to take time for yourself. Within the next few minutes, we will explore ways to find inner peace, release stress, and connect with your inner self. As we delve into this guided meditation, remember that you are in control of your experience. You have the power to let go of worries and embrace tranquility. By the end of our session today, you will carry with you a sense of calm that can positively impact your day. Please begin by gently closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in through your nose. Allow your lungs to fill with the air, and after a moment, exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, release any tensions in your body. And as you breathe in, feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, letting go of any worries or thoughts from your day. They can wait for another time. Keeping your attention on your breath, feel its natural rhythm as it flows in and out. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your nostrils. Take a deep breath in, counting to 4, and exhale for a count of 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, allowing each breath to calm your mind and your body. As you continue to breathe, visualize a bright, warm light surrounding you. This light is filled with peace, love, and relaxation. Wrapping around your entire body, starting from your toes and moving up towards the crown of your head. Feel its gentle warmth as it melts away any tension or stress you might be holding on to. As you continue to breathe, slowly bring your attention to your body, noticing any areas where you feel tension or discomfort. With each inhale, imagine that you are releasing that tension. Let it flow out of you like a dark cloud, leaving your body feeling lighter and more relaxed with every breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath and the image of that soothing light surrounding you. Remember, it's natural for your thoughts to drift. So don't judge or be hard on yourself. As your mind and body relaxes, repeat this affirmation to yourself. I release stress and I am at peace. Let this affirmation sink deep into your consciousness. Know that it is the truth. As you breathe in and out, as you continue to breathe, and as you release more and more stress, it's time to shift our focus towards gratitude. Think of 3 things that you're grateful for in your life right now. They can be simple, they can be significant, as long as you are grateful for them. As you contemplate each one, feel a sense of warmth and appreciation wash over you. Allow this gratitude to expand within you with each breath. As this gratitude expands, feel it pushing away any remaining stress or worry. Let it fill your entire being, reminding you of the beauty and positivity that exists in your life. As we approach the end of our meditation today, take a moment to check in with how you feel. Notice any changes in your body or in your state of mind. Embrace this sense of calm, this sense of tranquility that you have cultivated within yourself. Remember that you can return to this place of peace at any time, simply by taking a few deep breaths and releasing the stress that no longer serves you. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You've taken this time for yourself to release stress and to find inner peace. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day and return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of relaxation. Thank you for meditating with me today. I hope you found the calm you were looking for. If you did enjoy this meditation, please consider liking or subscribing, as it really does help a small channel grow. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to breathe.